You're welcome to another interesting mathematical question. We're told to look for the values of x, given that x plus the square root of negative x is equal to 3 all over 16. Can you solve it? Well, our first step will be for us to take note of what we have inside of this square root. Or simply, let's take note of the square root of negative x. So let me bring it out, and we are going to be introducing substitution. So let this expression, which is the square root of negative x, be equal to u. And in order to remove this square root, we have to take the square of both sides. And when I take the square of both sides, I'll have negative x to be equal to u squared, because the square actually cancels out this square root, leaving behind negative x. So that is it. Now, I need to multiply both sides by negative. So when I do that, multiplying the left-hand side by negative, I have positive x equal to, multiply the right-hand side by negative, I have negative u squared. Well, we did this so that we can be able to write this equation in terms of u. Now, let's rewrite this equation. X, what is x? X is negative u squared, so negative u squared plus the square root of negative x. The square root of negative x is u, so I'm going to be replacing that with u, and this is equal to 3 all over 16. So we have this equation to work with. Now let's clear this fraction by multiplying through by 16. So we have 16 times negative u squared plus 16 times u equal to 16 times 3 all over 16. So this gives 16 times negative u squared is negative 16 u squared plus 16 times u is 16u, and this is equal to, this 16 cancels out the 16, leaving behind 3. Now let's move everything to one side. So this is equal to negative 16u squared crosses to the right, it becomes positive 16u squared. Positive 16u crosses to the right, it becomes negative 16u. I've already got 3 on the right. Now leaving behind 0 on the left-hand side. Well, this is same as 16u squared minus 16u plus 3 equal to 0 by flipping the positions of the right and the left side. Very good. So we have a nice quadratic equation that we're going to be working with. Now let's use the quadratic formula to solve this. Our a from here is 16, our b is negative 16, and our c is 3. So using the quadratic formula, we're using u equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now let's substitute here. So the value of u becomes negative b is negative 16, then plus or minus the square root of b squared, that is negative 16 squared, minus 4 times a is 16, times c is 3. Very good. All over 2 times a, that is 2 times 16. Good. So this becomes u equal to, negative times negative is positive, so I'm going to be having positive 16 plus or minus the square root of negative 16 squared is 256 minus 4 times 16 times 3 is 192 all over 2 times 16, that is 32. Very good. So this simplifies into u equal to 16 plus or minus the square root of 256 minus 192 is 64 all over 32. Good. And we can simplify further. This is 16 plus or minus, the square root of 64 is actually 8 all over 32. Very good. So let's separate the two values of u. So we have u to be equal to, we have 16 plus 8 divided by 32. Then the other one, let me separate this a little. The other one will be u equal to 16 minus 8 all over 2. Now, for this first one, we have 16 plus 8, that is 24, all over 32, right? And this is equal to, now, 8 can go. 24 divided by 8, we have 3. Now, 32 divided by 8, we have 4. So the first value of u, we have 3 all over 4. Now, for the second value of u, this will be 16 minus 8 is 8 divided by 32. This will result to 8 can go. 8 here, 1. 8 here is 4. So we have 1 all over 4. But recall that we're looking for x. And what is our x? Recall that x is equal to negative u squared. So this will be negative u is 3 over 4 squared. And this will be 3 squared is 9, all over 4 squared is 16. So this is one value of x. Then the other value of x will be, we have negative u squared. So negative u is 1 all over 4 squared. And this will be 1 squared is 1, all over 4 is 16. So the two values of x are, we have 9 all over 16 and 1 all over 16. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.